Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error 0x8007007b. So how we can fix it? So we just need to open search tab and just write cmd and we will see our command prompt here. So just right click on it and choose run as administrator. So here you choose yes, and here after you see terminal you need to enter in terminal slmgr space IPK space, and here you need only to enter your serial number of operation system. So just copy it from your settings about system, and you will see there your serial number. You need to paste here your serial number and just click enter. So just wait after it fixes your error, and after you do it you won't see any errors and everything will works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.